Hi, my name's Grace, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a benefit statement box to a page. Benefit statement boxes are bits of featured content that you can use to draw a user's attention to your information. They consist of a statement box that holds a group or list of benefits. To add a benefit statement box, go to Content and select Edit on your desired page. Scroll down and click on the Add Paragraph button at the bottom left of the page. Then select the benefit statement box paragraph type. You will now see the empty benefit statement box appear alongside your existing paragraphs. For this tutorial, I want to display a list of 3 values that are held by my organization, with an overview explaining what they are. This overview is displayed above the list of benefits. Now that the overview has been added, we can move on to the benefits themselves. Each benefit is broken into a title, benefit content, and an image. To add more than one benefit, select the Add Benefit button on the bottom left. To change the location of your benefit statement box on the page, you can drag the paragraph type up or down. You can also rearrange the order of the benefits within the statement box. To view your changes before saving, you can use the Preview button at the top right, and always remember to save your changes before you finish. That's a brief overview of adding a benefit statement box to a page. I'll see you in the next video.